guys, we're here on Missions Week and we're doing some fun stuff to help out other people in the community. Woo!
Hi, I'm Erin from West Lawn United Methodist Church. We're here at Bill's site and we're just cleaning up his house. These guys are scraping off paint here so we can paint it. Here we have people going up on ladder, scraping off some more paint, I believe. And there used to be vines here, but we took them down. We have two guys up there and then one guy down here. Yep, there's lots of scraping happening here at the house because that's one of the main things we need to do here. So we can get a fresh coat of paint on. Here we have people just kind of shoveling dirt piles into this wheelbarrow and using a crowbar to break it up because if there's a lot of stones in it. And then here we have people pressure washing getting the dirt off and getting the paint off. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Isaac. I'm the youth pastor at West Lawn United Methodist Church, and I really appreciated Brett's message last night. I thought it was a great, just vision casting for why we're here in Newcastle. It just sold us on the importance of the work we're doing, no matter what we're doing here, just digging piles of dirt and cleaning vines of house, just how important it is that we're here just to clean up the blight. So I appreciated him just sharing the heart of the city and what his vision is for and his passion for is for the city, the renewal that he wants to see here. And it makes us more inspired to work, and the kids are excited to put the time in this week to help turn the city around.
Brett's message last night was a really good eye-opener into things and really getting us ready for this week, and I'm really pumped to be here and help out.
So I really liked Brett's message last night. It was really cool to hear about the area, learn what's happening, how all of the positive changes are being made, and how our impact is going to directly affect people.
The city and the county have failed to do a whole bunch. Don's Services went to them on a street and they're putting sidewalks in a whole street. Don's Services is paying for sidewalks on a whole street. And they went to the city and said, hey, we're gonna put in all the sidewalks, then you're gonna come in and put in brand new curbs and storm sewers and repave the road. And put the city back into a corner where they had no choice but to say, okay, right? And I think that's awesome.
What's up, guys? I'm Jewell and we are here at the work site.
I'm Kaylee. I'm from St. Paul's United Methodist Church, and we are putting a sidewalk in. So our original plan was just to come straight out, but we found either a gas pipe or a water pipe, so we had to reroute. So now we're coming out at an angle and then are gonna curve it back in, so it's gonna be like a little S sidewalk. So now we're digging 6 inches deep to put in 2 inches of stone and then 4 inches of concrete.
A worm and not a man. I'm scorned by everybody.
Sick catch.
You seriously caught the worm? That must have been quite the flight.
Nathan catch.
Hey, Wormy.
Oh God.
What are we gonna name him?
He's a lot less active.
Like and subscribe.
I'm Emily from St. Paul's. We're here at Tim's house doing some stuff, so let's just walk around. Back there, they're scraping the house in preparation to paint it later. So over here, they're painting the foundation, and then we're gonna scrape this wall to paint that later too.
Hey guys, we're at the work site.
My name is
Hey
Paul.
Rizzo, chill. Brush it off, dude. Come on. You can't bottle up your emotions like that. You really gotta.
What are you doing?
You gotta take your mask off, dude.
All right.
So you can connect with people. Sorry, I'm being a little bit of a pain.
Right, I got it.
Hey guys, I am Maddie Rurick and I am from St. Peter's UMC.
As you can see, there's 2 windows, and I accidentally knocked out this window. The door fell out when I was trying to take out a nail. We're done with lunch. We're gonna go put siding on, and we're gonna finish the trim.
It's not all about the work. We want to get the work done to the best of our abilities, but the homeowners that you're working for are more important than the project. There's a lady, some of you will meet her this week. She's 93 years old. We tore down her garage. It wasn't safe. She had nothing in it. The roof was collapsed, and it was a big cinder block garage, and code enforcement was charging her $100 a month.
Hi, I'm Craig. We're here at Mary's house at 311 Newell Street, and they pulled over the garage, what was left of it the other day, and it fell into a heap. So we're here cleaning it up to help Mary, who is 93 years old, and hopefully we'll get this done this week.